Are you tired of the hassle and mess that comes with traditional juicers? Do you crave fresh, delicious juice without the prep work and cleanup? Look no further than the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer, a compact, efficient, and tidy juicing solution that will revolutionize your daily routine. In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this juicer deserves a spot in your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer with Cup, please click on the link in the description below. Why choose the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer? The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer is more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. Here's why you should consider adding it to your kitchen arsenal. Number 1. Compact and space-saving. Unlike bulky juicers that hog your countertop space, this sleek and low-profile juicer is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. It won't cramp your style, and you can keep it out for quick access or easily stow it away when not in use. Number 2. Convenient to-go juicing. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer comes with a convenient 16 Oz Tumbler that attaches directly to the juice spout. With the twist-on to-go lid, you can juice your favorite fruits and vegetables and then sip from the same portable cup. Say goodbye to extra dishes and hello to hassle-free juicing on the go. Number 3. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up after juicing can be a chore, but not with this juicer. Its top-rack dishwasher safe attachments make cleanup a breeze. Additionally, a silicone spout cap catches drips before they reach your countertop, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Number 4. Powerful performance. Don't be fooled by its compact size. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer boasts a robust 400-watt motor that extracts all the nutritious goodness from your ingredients. Whether you're juicing hard vegetables or soft fruits, this juicer handles it with ease. Number 5. Time-saving design. The juicer features a roomy 2 inches feed chute, allowing you to feed larger chunks of ingredients without extensive chopping. This means less prep work and more time enjoying your fresh juice. Number 6. Warranty assurance. Worried about durability? The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Number 7. Safety first. Before diving into juicing, make sure to refer to the user manual for proper usage guidelines. Rest assured, this product is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, prioritizing safety. Conclusion. In a world where convenience and health-conscious choices are paramount, the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer shines as a must-have kitchen companion. Its compact size, easy cleanup, and to-go juicing capabilities make it a game-changer for anyone seeking a fresh and healthy lifestyle. Say goodbye to cumbersome juicers and hello to simplicity and efficiency. If you're ready to elevate your daily routine with delicious, nutrient-packed juice, don't hesitate. Invest in the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer and experience the transformation for yourself. Make your mornings fresher, your days healthier, and your kitchen tidier. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your life and savor the goodness of fresh juice. Order your Magic Bullet Mini Juicer today and embark on a journey towards a healthier you. Get your Magic Bullet Mini Juicer now and enjoy hassle-free, nutritious juicing. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.